Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Anker Power Bank portable charger in the color black. Here's the front and the back of the package before I get to unpacking. So as you can see here, I'm just going to open the box. I found it a little difficult to pull on the tab inside the box, so it takes a little bit of force to open the package. Here is the box opened along with the power bank and the charger. Here is the little instructional booklet that it comes with. Here is the USB-C charging cable that it comes with in order to charge your power bank. Now I will open up the power bank for you to see. I bought my power bank in black, but I think you can buy it in various colors and different styles. And this model has two-way charging, so you can charge two items at once. This power bank is great quality. I love the feel of it, and the price was great too. This is a Series 3 model, and the model number is 323. Thanks so much for watching. Please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe.